Damn, bro, what the where did you drop the gun at? Anybody on the
Later in the day, dispatch received information regarding a disturbance involving a suspect reportedly acting disorderly and failing to comply with lawful commands. Units were immediately dispatched to the location to investigate and secure the scene.
Running on Michigan right now.
Come here! Come here! I'll teach you! Stop running! Minor! I don't give a f***! Minor! That's all minor I ain't see. Go. I ain't do see.
Hands behind your back, dude. Hands behind your back.
Alright?
Hands behind your back. Don't move.
I ain't do see. I'm good.
Were the two that ran this way, or is that one of you? One. I just saw those two.
Yep.
Good. Take the lights.
Someone go help him out. Someone go help him out.
Got one running, northbound into the tree line. Shahin needs him on the envelope here.
What are you, 6?
7X. Heads! 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 Let me see your heads! Heads! Hey! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Heads! Behind the train station! Behind the train station! Hands up! You're gonna get shot! You're gonna get shot! He's running westbound. Westbound, back towards you guys. White shirt, black pants.
During the encounter, body-worn camera footage later showed a controversial moment where an officer stepped on the suspect's head while attempting to maintain control during the arrest. The action immediately raised concerns regarding proper use of force protocols.
Hey!
Grab one. There's one more way.
Here, got him.
We have the one that's the
Check back here.
Right there.
Damn, bro, what the where did you drop the gun at? Anybody on the
Got one running, northbound into the Shahin needs him on the envelope here. Black male trench, black hoodie.
How old are you? How old are you? Stop reaching!
Come on, bro.
Stop reaching!
Hey, bro. Put your camera on. What that extra I see, man?
I need to notify you I'm Dearborn PD. Okay, for K2 or U.S. service. Seen at least 3 running back to the car.
Come on, bro. All that extra I see, boy.
How old are you? Just be honest, how old are you?
Come on, okay?
Okay.
Following the incident, department leadership initiated an internal review. The officer involved was suspended without pay pending investigation.
Yeah, we friends.
Can you hold him for a second? Let me put my cuffs away. And just search him. Good?
He's got 2 accidents taken.
Drew's down here with me.
Keep your hands!
Right now! Don't be Data, here! Stand up slow!
Easy one, hold the air. We've got him in the woods.
Data, here!
About 300 yards northwest in the woods off of
Come
Michigan
towards
Ave.
me. I got the dog. Come towards me. I got the dog. Step out. Walk towards me. Laughing, I got him. Walk towards me. I'm holding him. He's not coming near you. Stop right there. Turn around. Drop down to your knees. Drop down to your knees. Do not move. Do not move. Look away from me.
I got it, Walker. I got it.
Do not move. You understand? Yes. Told you the dog was coming, bud. Told you. Why'd you do that? I didn't do nothing. Okay. Can I get some light?
Yeah, my lights.
Take mine.
Okay, great job, guys. Confirming that there's nobody else. You got all
Stand up. It's a good boy. Spread your feet.
40, I believe everyone's in
Wider.
custody.
That's a good boy. Where's your hoodie at, bud? Right here. Oh, we got it?
Black and color hoodie.
Black and color hoodie with writing on it. Screwdriver? That's not mine. Yeah, because so many people aren't leaving screwdrivers. Duck. Hey, walk with me, okay? Don't fall. Why don't you have a belt on? So they don't fall down, bro. Come on. Oh, dear. Watch your head, Dust.
My flashlight back up, please. Sorry about that.
Me? Yeah. You know, I'm pretty surprised.
You see any flashlights on Michigan Ave? The middle of the parking lot over there.
Yeah. Oh, you mean right where I saw him? Yeah. Crazy. It's crazy.
Where are you at?
You mean near a building with some of the best security cameras in the entire city? It's crazy.
Yeah.
My truck's touching their car.
Oh, hold this. I'm gonna grab the
We're going through the lot
sanitizer.
now. Yeah, they were off.
Yeah, I will. I'll be right back.
I think, okay. Who are you running back to the car?
You guys all okay? Yes, sir.
Joe, when you get here, it's just a straight shot in from the car.
Hey, someone run the track we ran because he was holding his waistband. Once we got to the west side, he just take his hands off.
Spread your feet.
If you can stay with him.
It'd be okay for you to do that.
What did they say about Trooper 2?
Now you can have Trooper 2 off. Get him over here, please.
Where do you run over here?
Yeah, he ran this whole track. I don't know if he dumped something in these.
Back around?
Yeah, we ran all around the train station. He was running full speed until we got here. He started slow walking. He wasn't holding his waistband anymore. You good, man? You good? You okay? What'd you say?
I just heard that crash and I was getting ready to get up.
I got you. You're fine. I appreciate it. Nothing? We'll let Joe do a...
19 on west, so let's check the fighting row.
What's up?
Assistance with anything? You just set up.
They had, yeah, I don't know, do you guys have access to our West channel?
Yes.
That's what they're on. We had one run into this wood line here. They were over in here actively trying to break a steel car.
Got you.
So
Okay.
one's active, like one ran that way towards this tree line.
Okay.
I have one in custody in the back of our car.
Description again.
Black male in a black hoodie with some type of design in the back, and some type of ski mask, and he was holding his waistband.
I'm holding
right.
9 of you in case this guy double event comes out to the Andiamo lot.
Law enforcement agencies continue reviewing procedures to maintain public trust and operational safety. If you're into real, unfiltered police body cam footage where every second counts, make sure you subscribe to Infrared Patrol right now. You don't want to miss what happens next.